Now in exercise 2.3, question number 2, find the domain and range of the following real functions. First question, f of x equals negative of modulus x. X is a real number and its image is given by f of x is equal to negative of modulus x. Then question number 2, second part, f of x equals square root of 9 minus x square. This x is given to be a real number. Now we shall look into the first one. See, you put x equals a positive real number. Modulus will be positive and the image is set to be negative. So it is a negative number. When think of any negative number, any negative real number, then its modulus is positive and the image is negative. Therefore, for all non-zero real numbers, negative of modulus s is negative. Then regarding 0, modulus 0 with a negative sign is 0 itself. 0 has no sign, it is neither positive nor negative. Therefore, we have got the images, all negative numbers and 0. So it can be put in an interval. See, negative infinity is not closed to 0. Here it is closed, including 0. So, domain of this set, domain of the function is R, all real numbers, and the range is the interval negative infinity to 0. Now coming to the second part of the question, the y part, that means the image, is given to be square root of 9 minus x square. It's a real function. Real function means both x and y, that is domain and the range, must be real. For getting a real square root, 9 minus x square must be greater than or equal to 0. If 9 minus x square is equal to 0, we will get the image. If 9 minus x square is a positive number, there also we will get the image. But if 9 minus x square is negative, we won't get any real value as the image. Therefore, as it is specifically such real function, we must take 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. That means x square less than or equal to 9. So x can take values from negative 3 to positive 3. We can't go beyond negative 3 or positive 3. A number greater than 3, its square will be more than 9. A number less than negative 3, its square will be greater than nine. Therefore, 9 minus x square will be a negative number. Therefore, the domain will be the closed interval negative 3 to 3, and when we take the square root, we can go up to 0. Square root of a number when it is defined to be a function, then we cannot take both positive and negative because it is a function. The first element, x element, cannot have more than one image. Therefore, range is the interval 0 to 3. Right.